Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today I'm in Protaras visiting the Andreotis Hotel. It's undergoing refurbishment at the moment. It did undergo a massive interior refurbishment last year. Look out for the videos. In fact, I'll see if I can get in one of the rooms. Now this year they're doing the outside, so the whole hotel is finished, and I do believe they're doing round the pool as well. Let's go in and explore. We have to be careful, that's a concrete pump. There it is. So we'll go in through the restaurant area. That'd be safer, guys. We're not going to go underneath any lorries. There's Holly Hire. Look out for the video, guys. If you want to hire anything you like. Mobility scooters, kids buggies, extra beds, whatever you like. Holly Hire, that's the place. Right, let's cross the road. There's no floating carpet, so be careful. So if we go round the side here, round CJ's bar and restaurant, we'll go up the slope, round the back, and that will be safe enough for me. I really didn't want to go underneath that crane. Right, so here's the scaffolding, guys, and we can see the back of the building has now virtually finished. They've rendered the whole back. Oh, what's that? That's a room that's open. Let's go and have a look, shall we? Now there's the brand new doors, guys. Aren't they lovely? Oh, I could do with doors like that in my house. Very modern, aluminium, very eco-friendly, guys, aren't they? Because they're triple glazed by the looks of it. So that's the windows. They're going in now. You can see the eco-friendly polystyrene they put on the walls nowadays. That's there. There, you can see the edge of it there. And then they render on top and then plaster. That keeps the rooms nice and cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Very, very eco-friendly, guys. And the whole building has been wrapped by that stuff and then re-rendered. Looks like all the windows are nearly in. There's some at the back going in. They're in. They're not in yet, nearly. Right, let's go round here and then we'll walk round the pool area, shall we? Yeah, you can see those lovely windows are in at the top and round the side, guys. Finished rendering here. Oh, they've just got one balcony there to finish, and that's all done, ready to be painted. And it's only January, so they really are cracking on with this project, guys. Definitely going to be ready. In fact, last year we did another video of the interior, all the rooms being refurbished. Lots of people asking us, oh, is it going to be ready? And sure enough, it was all ready in time. And this is a fraction of the project that happened last year. So let's go around the pool area, and we are having a shallow pool. It was quite deep and now it's much more shallow. That's the word. There, last time we were here, guys, we saw the rebar in the pool, and now all the concrete's in, so the bottom of the pool is done. Looks like the walls around the pool have done as well. There it is. Ah, they've just poured the concrete. That's what the lorry was there for. There we are. So that's all done. And I was wondering about all the pipes around the bottom of the pool. I did ask the manager, he said that's all part of the filtration system. There we are. So we've got a much shallower pool, which is going to be retiled. Let's go around here and have a look, see what else is going on, shall we? Of course, we've got those 2-storey rooms at the back. Hello, the scaffolding.
It's paint, I can smell it.
Can you smell paint? Let's go and have a look. I thought they weren't going to touch those rooms. We'll go and have a look, shall we, guys? So there's a higgledy-piggledy beautiful pool, swirls round here, and then we've got a little island or semi-island. Right, let's go around the back, see what they're doing. These are beautiful rooms around the back, guys. Not being touched, obviously. They didn't need to be refurbished last year, but looks like the painters are in. Oh yeah, oh, they're doing the outsides, they're repainting the outside. Oh, that would look lovely. Look at this beautiful lawn, these amazing gardens. It really is a little gem. There we are. Yeah, they are, guys. They're putting scaffolding here at the front so they can paint the front of the building where they can't reach. Yeah, it looks like we've got some paint that's slightly peeled off, not a lot, at the front of the buildings. So I suppose if they're getting the main building repainted, they might as well do the whole lot. There you are. No expense spared in this beautiful hotel, guys. It really is a little gem. There's a second lawn, loads of places to relax. Look out for videos, guys, and of course a pool bar. Right, we'll go down here, shall we? There we are. There's the new pool. I wonder what tiles they're going to put in the new pool. Let's have a scoot around. We might be able to find the tiles, which just reminds me my pool could do with retiling. So there's the new building. Looks lovely, doesn't it? What we'll do once it's painted, guys. I love those new patio doors. Oh, they've got a reflective glass on them. Can you see? Keeps the room even cooler. Very eco-friendly. Right, let's go down the slope through the corridor and then we'll go to the front of the building, shall we? Okay, we can get through here. There we are. Now these are the new tiles. They were laid last year, and all this render or pebble dash is going to be rendered, guys, all along here. Oh, what's happening at the top there? Let's go and have a look. Ah, they're getting ready for the new doors. Oh, I could show you the polystyrene that goes in. There it is. See how thick that is? That gets glued onto the walls, and then this render goes on. Then a third soft, or should I say shiny coat, gets put on, and then paint. Really is spectacular stuff, marvellous stuff. There, can you see all this pebble dashing? That's all going to be rendered. There, they've put the first fixing for the lights. That's all going to be covered up. Then the polystyrene, as we said, on that wall, and then re-rendered. So not a lot left to do, believe it or not, and there's a lot of workers here who really are cracking on with this job. Let's go down here and we'll get out the building site. So there we are, guys, the newly refurbished Andreotis Hotel here in Protaras. I love those patio doors, they are really nice. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.